So these are the decimal practice problems for the final, and this is 10 through 15. Round each number to the indicated place value. So 313.457 to the nearest tenth. So we're going to round to the nearest tenth. So notice it has a TH at the end, so it's the tenths place, the first place to the right of the decimal, and that would be the fourth. That means anything after that 4 is not going to be there when we're done. We have to decide whether to make the 4 in the tenths place, leaving it the same, or making it one digit higher. So we do the same rounding rule. We look to the right and there's a 5, so 5 and up will round up. So the answer will be 13.5. But we don't make these zeros, we just cut them off. And notice we're not putting zeros on. So that's the answer to number 10. So on number 11, we're rounding to the nearest 10. That's a difference, not tenth, but 10. So we're rounding to this decimal place here. And that, of course, is, there's the ones, there's the tens, right there. So we look to the right, and that is a 7, so we round up to 90. So we're going to change 9. We're going to change 7 to a 0, but after that we take off the decimals. So the answer is 90 for number 11. So round to the nearest hundredth. So it's got a TH on the end, so we're rounding to this place here, 2 places over to the right, which is right here. So then we look at this number to decide, is it 5 or higher? No. So that means we keep the 8 the same. So our answer then is 0.98. And remember, you just go ahead and eliminate those. So the answer then is just 0.98. Number 13, we are rounding to the nearest hundred. Once again, it's D on the end, not TH, but D. Hundreds. So we have to find the hundreds place. There's ones, tens, hundreds place. We look to the right of that place. It's a 5. That means this number becomes larger, so it's 1, 3, 1, comma, 3. Then you put the zeros in for 5 and 8, but you don't put any of the decimals in after it. So 1300. So 1,258.906 thousandths then becomes just 1,300. Alright, number 14. Round this number, 6.9999, to the nearest thousandths. So it is the thousandths place right here. 1, 2, 3 to the decimal point, 1/10ths, 1/100ths, 1,000ths. This number here, we look to the right of it, and we raise, it's telling us, because this is 5 or higher, we have to raise this number. Well, you have to raise it to 10. So that means you put a 0 there, a 0, and we raised it up, so we knocked the 1 over another place, and then we knocked it over another place, and that makes that 7. Rounding to this thousandths place caused us to put zeros in to the places with the 9 and bump that up to 7. Okay, so 6.9999 rounded to the thousandths place is 7.000. Notice the 0 stops at the thousandths place. We do not put anything after it. Okay, number 15. So number 15 asks us, round to the nearest 10 thousandths place, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths place. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 over to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where we're rounding to. So we look to the right of that number, which is 3. So we don't change the 1, but we do get rid of the 3 and 4, making our number 1 point. Remember, we put in all the digits before that. We don't do anything with those. We're not changing the 1. We write that in, but we don't write in the last 2. Okay, so there's our answer then to number 15.